Hi everyone. Hi everyone. When you logged on today, I sent you an email earlier today that it's going to look different. Once you click into the class, though, it looks exactly the same. So the changes shouldn't be too problematic for us. I did want to jump on though and tell you about a change that I'm making in our folder. I put up the discussion board for week 3, but I also wanted to show you that I've added a weekly folder file. If you've been going along able to figure out what to do every week, don't worry about it. But if you'd like to, Jessica, when we were talking about practicum, one of the things that she said when I was kind of explaining to her how I was doing it, I thought that keeping everything over here was logical, but she said that because we do our other classes with weekly folders, that might be confusing. So I don't want to be confusing, so I thought I would make a weekly folder file so that if you want to do what's due next week, you can go into the weekly folder and all the assignments will be linked there. My thought about doing that was if you are working, let's say you didn't get your video recording in last week, you know that the due dates, except the discussion boards are always due on the days that they're due. But the other assignments can be done late, and if you didn't get that done if you didn't get your assignment done on time, it would be hard to fumble through the folders to figure out where it's due. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in both places. I'm going to have all of your activity plans, competency assignments, everything over here in the folders that I've made, but then I'm going to make a weekly folder and I'm going to link the assignments there. So I'll be interested to hear from you what works well and what's difficult. Just know that, again, I'm figuring this out as I go along also. So feedback is appreciated and certainly not won't be thought of as that you're being annoying or anything. I really actually appreciate feedback because I'd like to be, I don't know, I just want to make sure it's as easy for you as I possibly can. So when I do your videos, just know, or when I observe, your observations are now your videos. When I respond to you on them, I'm going to do a Word document, as some of you have already received. And what I will do is I will be typing as I'm watching the video. And so you'll see kind of real time as I'm watching it. If you watch the video and you're reading my notes, you'll see that, oh, she saw this at that time. It's a little harder because when we do videotaping, we speak with you right after. And even though I'd like to set that as a goal to try to get it back as soon as you do it, I don't always see when you hand it in. And so or you do it one day or 9 o'clock in the morning and then you don't upload it till 5 o'clock. So it's a little old. So you might actually have to watch your video again, which isn't a bad thing. Just remember that I'm here to support you. I'm not here to criticize you. So if it's a little bit easier to do it in person because there's a lot to be said for, facial gestures and it's harder when you're reading something in an email or on a document that isn't accompanied by, somebody looking at you, smiling, saying it's okay. Because it really is okay. My job is to really support you and to help you become better teachers and to give you things to think about and critique you, but also support you. So critiquing and supporting are actually very similar. We're just trying to make you the best teachers that we can. So just know that if I say anything that offends you, you can ask me about it, but please know it comes from a good place. So if you go into these weekly folders and you click on it, right now the only thing I have is the week 3 discussion because I just opened it, but I'll put the rest of the assignments that are due for week 3 linked there. So you can completely ignore that folder if you already have a system and you're going fine. If you have any questions, you know where I am. Tuesday we have discussion group. I'm not quite sure how to do discussion groups because I feel like everybody's maybe I'll think of like 2 things for you to come to discussion group having thought about. Just because everyone's in so many different weird situations, not weird situations, but different situations that it just makes it a little harder. And also I find WebEx conversations when everybody's there hard because someone starts talking and interrupts someone else and I do that and then it's hard. It doesn't flow very well, but hopefully we'll get used to it. Later today or tomorrow, I will send you a link to tomorrow night's discussion group, and I look forward to seeing everyone. And I hope you have a great rest of the weekend.